Becoming a parent is magical, but let's be honest, it can also feel overwhelming. Your baby is finally here, and suddenly, you're holding this tiny little person who depends on you for everything. So where do you start? Let's walk through it together. First things first, feeding. Whether you're breastfeeding or using formula, the most important thing is making sure your baby is fed, loved, and growing. Look for signs they're hungry, like sucking on their hand or turning their head toward you. Don't worry, your baby will tell you what they need. You'll get the hang of it. And remember, burping your baby after feeding helps release little air bubbles they might swallow, which can make them feel uncomfortable. Next up, diaper changes. Yes, there will be a lot of them. And that's a good sign. A clean diaper means a happy baby and fewer rashes. So, keep wipes handy, be gentle with their skin, and try to talk to them while you change them. It helps them feel safe and calm, and it makes those moments sweeter. If you notice redness, a simple diaper cream can help protect their skin. And give them a few minutes of diaper-free time each day to let their skin breathe. Let's talk about sleep. Newborns sleep a lot, but not always when you want them to. Safe sleep is super important. Always lay your baby on their back, on a firm mattress, with no pillows or toys in the crib. It keeps them safe and helps everyone rest easier. And try to learn the difference between day and night. Keep things bright and active during the day, and quiet and dim at night. This helps your baby start to develop a sleep routine. Bath time basics. You don't need to bathe your baby every day. 2 or 3 times a week is just fine at first. Use warm water, a soft washcloth, and a gentle baby soap. Always support their head and never leave them unattended. And that tiny belly button stump? It'll fall off in a week or 2. Until then, just keep it clean and dry. Don't forget about cuddles. Your baby needs your love just as much as food or sleep. Hold them close. Talk to them. Smile. These simple moments help their brain grow and build a bond that lasts a lifetime. Crying. Yes, there will be some. Crying is how babies talk. Sometimes they're hungry. Sometimes they're tired. And sometimes they just need a snuggle. If your baby cries a lot and nothing seems to help, talk to your doctor. It could be colic, which just means they're extra fussy. You're not doing anything wrong. Now, what about you? Taking care of a baby means also taking care of yourself. Ask for help when you need it. Talk to your doctor if something feels off. It's okay to feel tired, unsure, or even scared sometimes. You're not alone. And finally, regular checkups matter. Your baby will have several visits in their first year to make sure they're growing healthy and strong. These visits are also your chance to ask questions, no matter how small they seem. That's what they're there for. You're doing more than you think. Every diaper change, every late-night feeding, every snuggle, it all counts. So here's your next step. Call your baby's doctor and make sure their next checkup is on the calendar. Or talk to a friend who's just had a baby. Let them know they're doing great too. Small steps make a big difference. You've got this. And we're right here with you every step of the way.